Good morning students, this is Neha, your mathematics teacher. So in the previous video we have studied about two methods for finding the square root of a number. First method is repeated subtraction, second method is prime factorization method. Now we are going to discuss about the third method, that is long division method for finding the square root of a number. This method is very convenient and an easy method for finding the square root of the number. So for that method, first step is prepare the number by placing the bars. That means for the square root of the number which you have to find, prepare that number by placing the bars. Suppose you have to find out the square root of 6, 7, 2, 4. Now you have to prepare this number by placing bars. How you will do it? You will start from the unit digit. Start pairing numbers. So and place the bar on each pair. This is first pair and this is our second pair. We will do the pairing by placing the bar. Now what is the second step? In the second step you have to represent it as this way. So what is the first pair is 67 and second pair is 24. Now see the first pair. First pair is 67. Now you have to find out a number such that whose square is less than or equal to 67. Let us look at the squares of the number. Square of 1 is 1. Square of 2 is 4. And square of 3 is 9. Square of 4 is 16. Square of 5 is 25. Square of 6 is 36. 7 square is 49. 8 square is 64. 9 square is 81. Now you can see that 64, that is 8 square, is the number which is nearest to the 67. So we will write down here 8. That is 8. So 8 square is 64. Write down 64 here and do the subtraction. When you do the subtraction, you will get 3. Now you will take out the second pair downside, that is 24. So it's 324. Now what you have to do, since here we have write down 8, I am writing out 8 more clearly. So now for here you have to find out the number. So for this number, first step is that you have to add this number to itself. That is 8 plus 8. What will be 8 plus 8? It will be 16. Now you have to find out a number which should be placed at this box such that when this box is multiplied by this box, the answer should be less than or equals to 324. What I am saying that you have to find out a number that should be placed in the box such that when it is multiplied by itself, then answer should be less than or equals to 324. So let us just do the try. Try 1 at this place. So if you multiply 161 with the 1, the answer is 161. Now 161 is very less than 324 and we want a number which is near to 324. So now let us just try the 2 number at this box. Now if you do the multiplication, 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2, that is 324. That is, if we place the number 2 here, then we will get the 324 as its product. So we will place it 2. That is 324, and when we do the subtraction, the answer is 0. So when the answer comes out at 0, we will stop at that point and the number which is written here will be the square root of that number. What number is written here? It's 82. That means under root of 6724 will be 82. Now let us look at one more example. Suppose if you have to find out the square root, this is the first example. Suppose if you have to find out the square root of 441. Now first step was that we have to prepare the number by placing the bars. So prepare the number, start from the unit digit, first pair and this second. Now you can see that in this bar there is only one number because only one digit is present. Now start doing the long division method. That is, look at the first bar. Here it is 4. So look at the numbers such that whose square is less than or equals to 4. So here we get 2 square is 4. So we will write down 2 here. That is 2 square is 4. Do the subtraction. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now take the second pair downside, that is 41. Now what you have to do? You have to add 2 to itself. You will get 4. Right? Now you have to find out a number which should be placed at this box such that when this is multiplied to this box, the answer should be less than or equal to 41. Now we will try one by one each number we will write down at these boxes and we will find out which number will fit. Now start from the 1, 1, 1. If you do the 41 multiply 1 is 41 and which is equals to 41. So this one number suits our condition. So we will write down here as 1. That is 41 minus 41. Do the subtraction and the answer you will get is 0. Now we get the answer as 0. So the number which is written at this position will be the square root of 441. That is, square root of 441 will be 21. Square root of 441 is 21. So this is the method by which we will find out the square root of the number. So practice this method for finding out the square of the number. This method is very easy and can be applicable to the large digits number. So thank you very much.